One of the emerging technologies of the modern world that threatens to make entire areas of business obsolete is the blockchain technology. A cryptocurrency based on this technology is slowly gaining recognition in new markets. For a while, cryptocurrency was considered to be the hacker's coin used at black markets only, but these days, you can use it to pay for things like online purchases, transport and real estate. Viva is a transforming financial technology that introduces a large-scale decentralization of mortgage financing in the world. The Viva platform will use intellectual contracts for a home loan based on crowdfunding, connecting borrowers and direct investors to a decentralized and unsafe ecosystem. Using ultra-safe transactions with the chain, Viva cut off the intermediary, which led to a more profitable and efficient lending process for all stakeholders. Viva allows the free market to determine the interest rate on the borrower's mortgage and eliminates the need for banks and other financial intermediaries. Excluding inefficiency in the local financial system, the mortgage rate will be more fair and accurate, reflecting the level of risk associated with the real value of the asset. The failure of the banking system in 2008 led to the first cryptocurrency in the world and initiated the process of decentralizing the powers of financial conglomerates. Viva intends to complete the work, abandoning the ineffective centuries-old financial system, in which it actually belongs in the past. Viva Platform. To get an overview of the Viva Platform network architecture, we describe it as another logical unit. This is basically a collection of several individual cluster systems, often interacting through the RESTful API, with events that can be checked for blocking and intellectual contracts. These component views are only for conceptual purposes and will be fully integrated at the user level. The main system, consisting of Viva Network Platform. Vision. We believe that the most effective solution to the problem of global inequality of economic wealth is technological progress. Blockchain technology is an innovation that has proven its ability to decentralize and destroy some of the world's largest industries. Viva aims to revolutionize the ancient mortgage lending industry by reducing intermediaries and decentralizing processes, thereby applying a more fundamentally accessible and transparent approach to financing. We believe that Viva technology will increase the availability of loans for borrowers and for the first time allow non-institutional investors to participate in stable incomes, relying on assets related to investments in mortgages, a product that is traditionally reserved for large financial institutions. Moreover, allowing the free market to dictate the risks and the corresponding value of each mortgage, unlike a bank, we expect to see a fairer price for a mortgage. The Viva platform will be used by them both in the developed and in the developing world. Mission. Our mission is to destroy the mortgage industry, allowing buyers and home sellers to establish self-regulation. Every person from anywhere in the world will have access to credit loans for credit houses through the decentralized Viva platform open market network. In addition, the Viva function as an investment and savings platform available only on a mobile phone means that all Viva users will have access to credit, savings and investment and secure transactions supported by standard locking services, regardless of the country in which they are located. Exchange Viva FMS application. After the mortgage loan successfully performs reverse processing using the fractionated mortgage shares, it will be available for sale on the exclusive Viva FMS application exchange located in Viva Network Peron. The application will work like a typical online exchange of cryptocurrencies, and the FMS will trade in a way similar to any revised revenue guarantee. Investors will be able to use this platform to buy, offer and sell request FMS. These applications include data analytics tools, charts and functionalities that classify all FMS securities based on risk assessment, profitability, duration, IR, etc., with individual portfolio recommendations and automation available to the average investor. In the Viva FMS Exchange application, an investor can simply click on FMS and view individual information about Exchange Viva FMS application. 1. Credit rating of the lender. 2. Information about the borrower's creditworthiness includes age, employment status, payment history, credit rating, income, other relevant financial liabilities, ability to repay debt, interest coverage ratio. 3. 2 standard risk algorithms based on ranking classification system 1 and 2. 4. All asset data includes cost, address, location, size, age and quality of the physical structure, insurance level of homeowners, etc. 5. Standard conditions of Viva recommendation. 6. All the terms of the mortgage agreement include duration, yield, interest rate and the Viva USD exchange rate, date for that date, the cost of the loan at the base facility, and so on. Crowdfunding home in blockchain. Viva uses exclusive contract technology, smart crawling technology, which will allow home buyers to obtain home currency loans. Unlimited and decentralized home loan financing will eliminate the need to rely on intermediaries such as banks and other financial intermediaries. Viva created a free market in the mortgage industry, reducing inefficiencies and allowing more affordable home ownership. For the first time, Viva will allow private investors to be accredited to have a highly profitable and asset-backed frequency mortalization FMS, also featuring innovative applications designed to enhance the process of property rating and credit scoring is currently obsolete. The company's leading grey technology-oriented blockchain, data, transactions, and mission-critical assessments will be supported by blockchain technology. The smart contracts of Ethereum and BitchainDB at our center allow decentralization in a highly secure, resilient, transparent and trustless environment. REML supported, embracing machine learning ability to provide insights and recommendations. The Viva network will empower unprecedented clients, from risk classification to the placement and selection of fragmented credit portfolios. API-robocated microservice, built by software engineers specializing in designing large-scale enterprise systems. RESTful service-oriented architecture will enable the Viva network to adapt to changing industry trends and opportunities with agility. Cloud scalability, built to leverage elastic cloud scalability through solidification in preparation for large-scale adoption platforms. This will enable trading low latency, high throughput fractional mortgages. Third-party fintech integration, designed to accelerate alternative financial trends by seeking integration with free providers from a decentralized credit rating to a common blockchain asset portfolio. Big data ready. The Viva network platform will leverage ORs for infrastructure capable of processing large numbers of trading patterns, mortgages, and datasets for machine learning analysis that will develop a unique smart platform, mobile Viva network application. Along with advanced web-based platforms, we will develop Android Apple apps to connect users with unparalleled ease and efficiency. From 20 wallets to mortgage lists to portfolio buildings, the Viva network embraces the first mobile design, essential for developing countries with key mobile internet access. The revolution of mortgage financing is here. Viva is an innovative financial technology company that introduces large-scale decentralized mortgage financing around the world. The Viva platform will use smart contracts for a crowdfund home loan, connecting borrowers and investors directly in a decentralized no-trust ecosystem. Utilizing ultra-secure blockchain transactions, Viva cuts intermediaries, resulting in a more lucrative and efficient lending process for all. Viva allows the free market to determine the interest rate on the borrower's mortgage and eliminates the need for banks and other financial intermediaries. By eliminating inefficiencies in the local financial system, mortgage rates will be more fair and accurate, reflecting the level of risk associated with the true value of the asset. The failure of the banking system in 2008 resulted in the world's first cryptocurrency and initiated a process of decentralizing power held by financial conglomerates. Viva intends to finish the job, leaving behind the inefficient and centuries-old financing system in which it actually belongs in the past. Hard cap generation: token generation 3 billion Viva tokens. Pre-sales. Hard cap ETH6870 ETH. Website http://www.vivanetwork.org